All right, today we're gonna bring a elegant 5-blade fan, and this is a black fan. It's made of plastic. If you guys can see that, this is all plastic. The blades are short, but there are 5 of them, so it's gonna be super fast and hot and cold. It's gonna throw a cold air as you please. Now they do give you 2 remote controls, if you guys can see. This is basically a small one that you will keep by your bed. The light on and off, and you could turn it on for certain hours if you want, 1, 2, and 4 hours. And of course, you could go forward and reverse and all off, all right? That's the control you have by your bedside. They give you an additional one, which has the same functions: all off, light on, forward. And this is a breeze. This is kind of like a wave only, all right? And then this is reverse, 1 through 6 function, fan on and off, 1, 2, and 4 hours, the same thing. So we'll put this together today and see how well it works. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, I'm finally done. My recommendation, build it on the floor. Don't build it when it's high because it'll be difficult. Next thing is to mount this. So we're gonna go ahead and set this up, and then make sure you have the ground available here, and you got your neutral and your hot, and the box is gonna be covering it up. So we're gonna go ahead and set it up and see how it looks at the end. All right, here's a full version of it. We finished it. I did take out the glass right now. We're gonna put it back on in a bit. I wanted to make sure I connected the system. So we're gonna turn on our fan, first time. That's number 1. It's pretty quiet. Oh, it's fresh. It's cooling off this whole entire area. I'm gonna change the light. I trying to change the light a little bit here and there, but that's the most you can do on the light. But you could turn it off, the light, if you have the fan on, the light on. If you change it, you could change it by turning it off and on, if you guys can see that. See that? 1. This is probably the best one. The next one's gonna be yellow and a different tone. So I like this one. Just make sure you turn it off and on. And right now we're gonna put it at number 6. Fan number 6. It's working very well here. It's cooling the entire area. And we'll put it back on 1. It's a little difficult to set up the whole thing if you're not familiar with it. Just make sure that the box goes all the way to the top and the rest is easy. "99.6% of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.